Cloud AI systems can be incredibly powerful, but yeah, they're not always perfect. From API failures to slow model performance and deployment problems, issues can happen at almost any stage of an AI workflow. So in this guide, I'll show you how to troubleshoot common cloud AI issues in 2026. First, figure out exactly what kind of issue you're dealing with. Is it a connection problem, a model accuracy issue, slow processing speed, API failure, or deployment error? Before changing anything, check whether the cloud provider itself is experiencing outages or service disruptions. Sometimes the issue is actually on the provider side. If your AI system feels slow, check CPU usage, GPU performance, memory allocation, and storage capacity. Limited resources can create bottlenecks during processing. Sometimes the system works technically, but the AI predictions are inaccurate. In that case, review training data, retrain the model, or fine-tune parameters for better results. And honestly, troubleshooting cloud AI becomes much easier when you document issues and solutions over time. Building a troubleshooting workflow can save huge amounts of time later. And that's your full guide on how to troubleshoot common cloud AI issues in 2026. Hopefully now you have a clearer understanding of how to identify, fix, and prevent AI system problems more effectively.